The Doogee V30 Pro is the latest addition to the V30 series. This flagship-grade AI camera phone features a 200 megapixel main lens along with 24 megapixel and a 60 megapixel lenses. So the main 200 megapixel lens is sourced from Samsung. It also offers the dual SIM 5G card support. It boasts impressive IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H ratings. The phone comes with the high-quality dual stereo speakers, Sony's exceptional 32 megapixel selfie camera, and a 6.48-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Additionally, it features the remarkable 24 megapixel night vision camera, 60 megapixel wide angle, and a macro camera. There is also a huge 10,800 mAh battery, among other impressive features. You can find the official links below the video, and you can get the Doogee V30 Pro for $15 less with the discount code. Also keep on out for the V30 Pro video review on the GSMaholic YouTube channel. Stay tuned and see you soon.